The grunts are the wheels of the Green Machine, the name they give the military. The Green Machine is comic book America with flesh on it.
Today is the day for you to let people...
A wonderland of heroes and slogans. In the Green Machine, a grunt doesn't seek out the enemy, he goes hunting for gooks. The Green Machine plays games, like Wandering Soul.
Wandering Soul is a tape that has been put out by the Psychological Operations Battalion and Benoit. Is used by the operating divisions and separate brigades to broadcast a rally appeal to the Viet Cong. The tape itself is a rather weird one with the funeral dirge music in the background and a father talking to his children saying he's died on the battlefield and he's trying to encourage his comrades to rally and join the just cause.
The Vietnamese people worship the souls of their ancestors, but this wandering soul is very different. It was conceived in an echo chamber by the US Army and is broadcast from a helicopter over jungle where the gooks are supposed to be hiding.
Vợ tôi kêu tôi ra. Bà đã về với con đi. Tôi đã về với mình đây. Nhưng tôi còn đâu mảnh hình hài nữa. Tôi đã chết rồi má con bay ơi. Thật thảm thương biết chừng nào.